Today, we're making a spicy and flavorful tofu dish. First, cut the tofu into triangle slices. This shape is easy for the flavors to soak in. Then slice the peppers into diagonal pieces. Prepare some scallions, dried chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns. Heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is medium hot, add the tofu and deep fry it. If you don't like it too oily, you can pan fry the tofu with a little oil. Fry the tofu over high heat until it's golden brown. Then, add the peppers and give them a quick fry. Remove them after 5 seconds and drain the excess oil. Leave a little oil in the pan. Add the Sichuan peppercorns and dried chili peppers and fry over low heat until fragrant. Then add the scallions and stir fry until fragrant. Add the black bean paste and stir fry until the oil turns red and fragrant. Add some water. Add soy sauce. Add a little salt and chicken bouillon. Stir the seasoning until it's well combined. Then add the tofu and peppers. Add cornstarch slurry. Stir the tofu, letting the sauce thicken and coat it. Stir everything together until it's well combined, and then you can serve it. This dish is better with soft tofu, which will make it softer. Adjust the amount of Sichuan peppercorns and chili peppers as you like. Spicy, fragrant, and delicious. The tofu is so tender,